Hi, I'm Innervate's Jordan Montlake, and as you're about to hear, this is a special episode of Innervate Answers. Recently, Microsoft hosted a series of partner airlifts, an opportunity for Microsoft partners to get hands-on experience with the latest products and services. These sessions are a great way for us to directly engage with Microsoft on what we deliver to our clients. Our particular stream this time round was entitled AI, Apps and Bots, and under the microscope were exciting topics such as cognitive services, bot frameworks and intelligent natural language interfaces. I was also lucky enough to interview our two hosts, applied data scientists from the Azure AI platform team, Anna Thomas and Chris Testa-O'Neill, and I had a chance to ask them what AI means to modern organisations. So, without further ado, I'll hand the rest of this episode over to Chris and myself. Enjoy. Hi there, and welcome to another episode of Innervate Answers. I'm here with Chris Testa-O'Neill, and we're here to do a special episode on AI, apps and bots, following a very successful 3-day airlift. So Chris, maybe you want to tell everyone a little more about who you are.
Yeah, so I'm Chris Testa-O'Neill. I'm an applied data scientist at Microsoft. Our team works in the engineering team, and essentially we create the AI platform products.
Great, well let's get started. So Chris, this year's Future Decoded, Microsoft talked a lot about augmenting the workforce. You know, we hear this a lot about the cognitive services, the AI, but what does augmenting the workforce mean for you?
So augmenting the workforce means not replacing the workforce, but having AI tools that help them to do their jobs more productively. So that could be as a business worker, where we have AI infused with our applications, including Office and Dynamics.
Yeah.
A good example of that might be the PowerPoint translator in PowerPoint, which can translate to other languages. From a developer perspective, we have a wide range of tools that can help them quickly use cognitive services. Custom Vision is a great example. Yeah. Lewis is a great example where they can even do that in a GUI and then embed it within the code. And with then the data scientists, we're providing tools that have just been announced today with the machine learning SDK that enable agile development of data science models through our tools. So augmenting is about helping people achieve their objectives.
Great, that sounds fantastic. So Chris, this is a very competitive space. It's an area where lots of providers are really getting into.
Yeah.
What is it about Microsoft's offering that makes it strong?
I would say there's 2 or 3 key strengths that I can talk about. I mean, we discussed earlier on the fact that we try and make this readily available to all range of people, right? So we make it very accessible, whether you're a user, a developer, a data scientist. But we also know the enterprise as well. We've been working in the enterprise for over 40 years. Yeah. So we really, really deeply understand what it means to have an enterprise solution. And at a time when there's a lot of direction needed with regards to AI, we're not afraid to question the ethics of anything that we do. And it's at the forefront of our mind, really, you know, that when we engineer these products and we're thinking about how it should work, we're not afraid to ask the question, just because we can do it doesn't mean to say we should do it, right? So I think our strength is we're able to provide that holistic view from our experience of the enterprise to give you a well-rounded product, but think of everything that goes into that product itself.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you. And now I'm very lucky to be joined by Anna. Anna, you know, what are the exciting things that are coming in the immediate future?
Yeah, Jordan, that's a great question. You know, there's a lot of exciting things coming down the pipeline. Yesterday, we actually released the GA of Azure Machine Learning Services. And we've also just announced cognitive services in containers, which is a big step for us. It's something that customers have been asking for a while. And yesterday we released Lewis in containers, so you can now deploy your language understanding models to the edge. So there's a lot to be excited about here.
That is really, really fascinating. Thank you very much for your time.
Of course.
If you have any further questions, if there's anything about AI, cognitive services, or intelligent machine learning that you'd like to know more about, feel free to get in touch. We'll be posting links in the description down below for the GitHub links, for the Azure AI links, and of course where you can find further information. So thank you, Anna.
Thank
and
you.
Thank you, Chris, who was on earlier on. Thank you.